A very good afternoon, Maskatika. Sorry, a very good afternoon, Team Zimbabwe. Masquera say, kwese, kwamuri. Whether you are in Zimbabwe, you are in South Africa, you are Europe, wherever you are, Africa, Europe, China, Asia, wherever you are. Thank you very much for coming. My name is Ronald We Kwamakusha, and we want to take a look on that performance yamkoma Jah Prayzah Kadoma. Honestly speaking, guys, this is a wonderful performance. Let me not waste much of your time. Let us go straight to this video. Akumana ndakaona performance yakapenga. Aiwa mkomajaga vanogona. Let us take a look onto this. This is the performance, guys. To me, this is a wonderful and brilliant performance, guys. Our artists are so amazing. They were together with Baba Harare on the stage. So there is an album ravakapromisa vachiti Baba Harare vane album ravo riri kubuda musi wa4 November. On that album they featured on another song na Jah Prayzah JP. So this is wonderful to see our artists vachibatana vachishandira pamwe chete vachiita sei. That is what is very important. So this is it in Zimbabwe. I liked this performance. That is the reason why I made a decision to come with it. So this is it, team Zimbabwe. This was a live performance yekuti munhu anenge achinyatsoratidza tarenda rake. Aiwa Jah Prayzah chibaba, Jah Prayzah mudhara. So you can actually see kuti tine maartists edu are talented. Go to Winky D, you will see extremely wonderful performance. Freeman, extremely wonderful performance. Baba Harare vacho aumbotaura. Jah Prayzah, you don't question kuti vanhu vemuzimbabwe rava so wonderful artists. Chatesina chete leadership. So if we just correct that, zvese zvakutofamba zvakanaka. So my message is register to vote.